by Mother Mary are the key ingredients to the path of true servanthood. And as we pursue our day-to-day activities, performing our roles as a sister, as a wife, mother and daughter, friend and a member of the community, may we be guided by the virtues of Mother Mary to begin a more focused faith journey. Let us now listen to our sister Ana Reyes as she gives the talk, Mary, God's Humble Servant.
Good afternoon, my dear sisters in the handmaid of the Lord, and dear brothers. Before I begin, I would like to acknowledge the presence of the members of the International Council together with their wives. Headed by Tito Chong and Tita Mila. I praise and thank God for this opportunity to serve Him through this Marian Conference. I am truly blessed and honored to be with you this afternoon. Talk 1 is entitled, Mary, God's Humble Servant. The anchor verse is taken from Luke 1:38. I am the handmaid of the Lord. May it be done to me according to your word. The angel Gabriel, during the Annunciation, salutes Mary as full of grace. To be able to serve the Lord and follow God's will, it is necessary for us to be in the state of God's grace. Our internal disposition of humility, obedience, charity, sacrifice, love of God, and a desire to spread the glory of God after Mama Mary's example must be cultivated consistently and constantly. These virtues are manifested in the joyful mysteries of the Holy Rosary. It teaches us the powerful love of God that is ours to possess and share through our meaningful relationships as authentic women who are after God's own heart. In our faith journey, Mary has provided a blueprint of true servanthood so that we can truly become a handmaid of the Lord who is after God's will. Mary's servanthood began when she conceived in her heart and in her flesh the Word made man who is to be given to the world. According to Father David conception, for God to be human, God must be born of a woman. Mary's humility and obedience were shown in her willingness to accept the divine design. Mary showed true charity and sacrifice when she visited her cousin Elizabeth despite her own delicate condition. Mary showed her love of God and her desire to spread the glory of God when she opened her heart and received the message of the angel and responded to it through humble worship, magnifying the Lord. The path to our own servanthood has been laid out according to Mama Mary's example. Knowing and embracing the path of Mama Mary's virtues can deepen and enhance our own faith journey as the Lord's handmaid. We need to follow the example of Mama Mary through humility and obedience. Humility is presented in the Bible as a practice of obedience to God, respect of self and others, submissiveness and honesty. Mary's pronouncement of her fiat at the Annunciation and giving of her consent to the fulfillment of the Incarnation was already collaborating with the Lord, who hears that God so humbly. She's Mother, forever to be Savior, and heir of his Son. Mary's humility and